Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing in and confirming identity so the app tracks progress safely. Once done, set a single measurable goal, daily time, a dollar amount, or win rate target, because focus guides the strategy. You then link a payment method and set spending limits to avoid surprises. Make sure to enable notifications so you receive real-time alerts. This first step gets you into the active workflow immediately and prevents account or budget issues before you start engaging. You select the only way mode and review the rules and odds summary so you know exactly how outcomes are calculated. Once done, split your bankroll into 3 tiers: base, chase, and reserve, assigning percentages to control risk and follow the app's recommended bet sizing. You use the analytics panel to monitor streaks, ROI, and variance, then adjust bet sizes according to the adaptive algorithm. Keep an eye on heat maps and suggested actions, and follow prompts to lock or skip rounds. You complete a session by cashing out partial or full wins, checking limits and processing times so you avoid pending holds. Once done, export your session logs if you need evidence for a dispute and enable dispute mode when balances mismatch. If something goes wrong, first resync the account and clear the app cache. If that fails, gather transaction ID and contact support. This final sequence closes the loop and ensures you can recover funds or correct errors quickly without losing progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.